Opening a new nail salon is always a festive occasion, and it doesn't matter how old you are. It's a Lala Fan duck! It's mine! Mom! Honey, what happened? He took the last duck! Don't worry, we'll call Lillian. She's a real magician. Lala Fan. I think I can help. Done! Paint press on yellow nails. Glue on a bow made out of yarn. Shape 2 gel drops. Dry it in a lamp and coat it with pink gel nail polish. Sprinkle with velvet flocking powder. Paint eyes and a beak. Dry in a UV lamp. Glue on jump rings to be glasses. Lala Fan! Whoa! Awesome! And we have a duck! This is so cool! I love it! My duck is unique! Huggy Wuggy, you won't catch me! Sweetie, what are you playing? Oh no! Not this terrifying monster! Alright, since you like Huggy Wuggy so much, I know what we'll do. Apply glue to a nail. And coat it with faux fur. Cut off the excess. Make a mouth and eyes from light clay. Add pupils. Huggy Wuggy is ready! Make Kissy Missy the same way. Whoa! A Kissy Missy manicure! Thank you, Mom! You don't need a phone for your favorite game anymore! Hi, Lillian! Would you do something unique for me? I'm tired of regular designs! Whoa! I love tic-tac-toe! I want this design! Easy peasy! You'll be O. And I'll be X. Wanna play? The O makes the first move, but the X isn't giving in. That was a lot of fun. Let's play again. Whoa! What an amazing nail design. It's the latest trend. I wish I had it. But is it even possible? Sweetie, what are you doing? Mom, hurry up! Look! Have you ever seen nails like this before? Honey, it's pretty easy to pull off this nail design. Let's take a look in your box. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. That's what we need. Do you like it? Cover a press-on nail with top coat nail polish. Apply different colors and shapes of glitter. Add another coat of polish. Do different colors. Glue on decorations. Whoa! Thank you, Mom! You're welcome, honey! Now I can make some TikToks! I am so bored! Oh no! She's biting her nails! Stop! Biting nails is a bad habit! Come with me! I'll do a nail design that'll help you get rid of that bad habit! Whoa! Paint a scary zombie face on a green nail. Add blood drippings on a beige nail. Zombie nails are not what you really want to bite. Thanks! You're welcome! The prince and the princess went back to the castle, and they lived happily ever after. The end! Sweet dreams, honey! It's so dark! Mom! What happened? Sleeping in the dark is so scary! We can fix that! Let's do a neon nail design for you! Done! Whoa! Apply gel to a blue nail. Add glow-in-the-dark pigment. Dry it with a UV lamp and add a top coat polish. And now I'll turn the lights off. They are actually glowing in the dark, and I'm not scared anymore. While I'm cooking, you go grocery shopping. Get milk, cereal, bananas, cheese, and Nutella. Mom, say again? Milk, bananas, cereal. Got it? Yes! Don't forget the change. Is she back? Mom, I forgot what I have to buy. We need a shopping list. Let's make it. Apply clear polish to printed grocery pictures and let it dry. Cut them out and soak them in water. Remove the paper layer on the back, leaving the picture. Apply a drop of polish and glue the picture on the nail. Cover with a layer of polish. Oh! Cereal! What's next? Whoa! I need Nutella. Sure, here. That's it! Your groceries! Here's the money! Thanks! Don't forget your change! Awesome! There's no one here! Oh! You are trying to rob our salon? Give it to me! And take a seat! You lucked out! A great professional will take care of your nails! Whoa! Thanks a lot! And don't forget to pay! Sure, here! I hope this is enough! I'll be right back! What a lucky day! You won't regret it! She's the best nail tech ever! Oh! You're right! It's amazing! The tooth will be fine! And you get this for being brave! See you next time! Ouch! Honey, you can't talk? Want some oatmeal? Yes or no? I don't understand. Oh, I have an idea. I'll create a special emoji nail design for you. Coat press on nails with different shades. Stamp on a yellow circle using a pencil eraser. Even it out with a brush. Paint different emojis. Now tell me, do you want oatmeal? No? Okay. What about a banana? Yes, that's great. Hi, I like these diamond nails. Hey first, put a press-on nail on a Ziploc bag. Apply a thick layer of gel and cover it with plastic wrap. Shape it and dry it in a UV lamp. Remove the plastic in the bag. Cut off the excess gel and add a top coat. Oh, I only have $2. I can only offer you cardboard nails. Well, cardboard is fine. Done. Thanks, I guess. See you next time. Hi. Would you do my nails? Sure. I have the perfect nail polish. Whoa, your nails are done. Wow, thank you. Girls, it's cold outside. Close the window. I got it. Whoa! The polish changed in the cold! Awesome! Hi, Lillian! I have so much news, but nails come first. Can you imagine it? My flight got canceled, so I tell them to cancel the meeting, and they are telling me they can't. Whatever, fine. I can get there by car, but it'd take 8 hours. Whoops, my nail polish. Now I'm furious. That's better, a stress-relieving nail design. And most importantly, it's nice and quiet. Thank you, Bestie. Please, Bestie. I could do with a nail design, too. Oh, man. I'm almost out of nail polish. I hope this is enough. Only 2 nails are done. Gloves. That's a great idea. I'll cut here, and my nail design is ready. Nail salons are magical places.